Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 9th. This is our lecture number 6 and here is a question on your first unit. Make a chart of scientific method. Make a chart of a scientific method. And we are here for making the chart and understand what the scientific method chart is saying. Any scientist performing his experiment or giving his theory, he will pass out these steps that you are looking on your screen. These steps are very compulsory to give a law and the theory. On the screen you can see the scientific method. The scientific method. What type of observations are coming into the scientific method? You can see first of all, the scientist and the other that are given the law and the theory in the field of science, they will use the scientific method. They will do first make observation. After that they will construct a hypothesis. And number third, they will test the experiment. They will test with the experiment. And number 4, draw a conclusion. Here is the step. They will draw the conclusion. Then there is a 2 step: accept hypothesis and reject hypothesis. If your hypothesis is accepted, then you will go to the report and result, means on the final stage. Then you will make the result of your experiment. If your hypothesis is rejected, then you will go on the stage of hypothesis, means you will go backward. A scientist go backward and constructs hypothesis again. दोबारा से वो जाके अपनी क्या बनाएगा? Hypothesis बनाएगा. I am little bit giving you explanation into Urdu. First of all, observation बनाई जाएगी, उसके बाद construct hypothesis. Hypothesis के बाद experiment किया जाएगा, test experiment के साथ किया जाएगा. After that, draw a conclusion. In this stage, there is a two things. Which are two things? Accept hypothesis and reject hypothesis. Conclusion के बाद दो ऑप्शन है आपके पास. अगर आपकी hypothesis accept होती है, then you will go to the reports results. And if the rejected, then you will reconstruct. A scientist reconstruct the hypothesis. These are the stages of the scientific method. This is the chart that helping you to understand the scientific method and the law and the theory, how the scientists are giving theories and laws. If the hypothesis is rejected, this does not mean the experiment was failure. जब hypothesis reject होता है, आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि आपका जो scientist है वो failure है या उसका experiment failure है. After that you will do, if the proposed a null hypothesis, the easiest to test. Rejecting the hypothesis may be sufficient to state the result. कभी कभी ऐसे होता है, sometimes if the hypothesis is rejected, you reformulate the hypothesis or discard it and then go back to the experimentation stage. अब क्या होता है, अगर hypothesis reject होती है तो आप उसको discard करके reconstruct करके अब उसको ये नहीं बोल सकते कि this experiment is failure. Then you will reconstruct the hypothesis, then you will come to the again experimentation stage. This was a scientific method. Student, you will draw this scientific method and chart on your copy and also memorize and wait for your next lecture. Allah Hafiz wa Nasir.